Post-behavioralism is a criticism of behavioralism. It negates the pure science, value-neutral perspective of behavioralism. Post-behavioralism is both an intellectual tendency as well as a movement supported by a group of people from different streams of political ideologies. David Easton, the major advocate of post-behavioralism, illustrates its tenets as follows. Substance must precede techniques. Behavioralism gives too much importance to the technical aspect of the research. Post-behavioralists hold the position that the purpose of the research should be the determinant factor in the selection of research tools. Thus the post-behavioralists raised the slogan, better to be vague than non-relevantly precise. Emphasis should be on social change and not social preservation. Behavioralism gives importance to the analysis of data and precise definitions, while post-behavioralists insist that social change should be the emphasis of political science research. Stress on reality. Easton presses that social science research should not lose touch with the brute realities of politics. Behavioralism conceals the realities of politics by the abstraction and analysis of data. Post-behavioralism is a response to the bare needs of society. Political science should not be value neutral. Behavioralism gives too much importance to pure science approach and value neutrality. Post-behavioralism negates such a proposition. According to them, all knowledge stands on values and that a value-neutral knowledge is a purposeless knowledge. Hence, to understand the limits of our knowledge, we need to be aware of the value premises on which it stands and the alternatives for which this knowledge could be used. Political scientists must protect humane values of civilization. Post-behavioralism believes that the intellectual's historical role has been and must be to protect the humane values of civilization. This is their unique task and obligation. Without this, they become mere technicians, mechanics for tinkering with society. Stress on action. Post-behavioralism emphasizes on action in the place of contemplative science. They consider that social science research is a bearing of the responsibility to change the society. It is an engagement of the shaping of the future. Urgent need to politicize the profession. According to post-behavioralists, if we accept that social scientists play a positive role in society, then in order to achieve our goal we should professionalize our career.